Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Khare. Today we will discuss the basic concept of correlation and regression analysis in the part of the series of data analytics. So first we assess the basic concept of correlation. So in a general terminology, correlation, it is a measure of the degree of relatedness of variables. So correlation, it is a measure of the degree of relatedness of variable, or in another way, relationship in between two parameters. If, for the example, the salary of an employee is depend upon the his or her performance index. So if we are considered by is equal salary of employee and X is equal performance index. So the salary in a dollar is something like this: $1,000, $2,000, $2,500, and the performance index is 7.5 out of 10, 8.5, and 9. So in that case, by is called as dependent variable and X is equal independent variable. So we identify the relationship in between dependent and independent variable, or try to develop a formula in between by and X, where by is equal to salary of an employee and X is or her performance index. So this is the basic concept of correlation. Now we will discuss the basic concept related to the correlation. Then come to the first point. Pearson product movement correlation. So this is also called as a small r correlation. So in that case, R is measure of linear correlation between two variables. So in that case, according to the last example, y is equal to salary and x is equal to performance index. So in that case, salary is dependent variable and performance is independent variable. So according to the value of y and x, we identify the value of a small r, or it is also known as Pearson product movement correlation. So in that case, the formula is sigma of xy minus sigma x sigma by divided by small n, then divided by root of sigma x square minus sigma x square divided by n multiply by sigma by square minus sigma by whole square divided by n. So small r, the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient, and according to the range, if the value of small r is +1 or near to +1, this called as a perfect positive relationship. Then r is equal to -1 is equal, or towards the -1 is equal perfect negative relationship. Then if r is equal to 0 is equal no relationship. So in other way, the value of small r, or the range of small r, is equal -1 to 0 to +1. So this is the given range of correlation in terms of Pearson product movement correlation, which is also represented by the small r. Here the value of xy is related to the independent parameters value, or value of the dependent parameter. The next term under the correlation and regression analysis. So the next term we conclude in terms of regression analysis. Then what is the meaning of regression analysis? It is the process of constructing a mathematical model or function that can be used to predict or determine one variable by another variable or other variables. So in the case of regression analysis, always we identify number of variables again. So according to the last example, by is equal to salary of given employee and X is equal to performance index. So in that case, the salary is dependent variable, or in the terminology of regression analysis, it is called as a predicted value, or performance index in the terms of independent parameter. It is also known as predicator. So dependent variable just as a predicted value, and independent value, independent condition is given by the predicator. So in a simple regression analysis or linear regression analysis, in simple regression analysis always represented by a straight line. So in the case of regression analysis, the equations is given by y is equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to slope of the line and b is equal by intercept of the line. So this equation in statistics also represent by y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 with respect to the independent parameter x. So just by, where by is equal predicted value of by beta naught is equal population intercept and beta 1 is equal population slope. So just we identify y is equal to b naught b1 into x. Now we calculate the value of b1 or beta 1 or beta naught with the help of certain condition. So in that case, the value of beta